Being a desert didn't mean that Ladakh did not attract traders or people. It was considered a good trade route as it had many passes through with caravans. Travel to Tibet, these caravans carried textiles, spices, raw silk, and carpets. It means the Ladakh region falls on the route to Tibet and China. Okay, Tibet and China. Many passes exist between the mountains and which were used by traders to come across. And this area is famous for the wool of the sheep. Good quality of pashmina wool is taken from sheep, which is good to make world famous shawls. It means the life of the Ladakh people is very difficult and they exported many things. So it means the culture of Ladakh is a mix of both Indian as well as Tibetan tradition, and Tibetan influences is visible in food, music, agriculture, architectures. So Little Tibet is the another name for Ladakh. Ladakh is the cold desert of India, and the second name of the Ladakh is Little Tibet. And Buddhism, okay, their religion. So Buddhism is the chief religion of the state of Ladakh. It is an interesting fact of Buddhism reached Tibet via Ladakh. Okay, Gautam Buddha reached Tibet with the way of Ladakh. It has a number of Gomas or Buddhist monarchy, and Ladakh has a very rich oral tradition of songs and poems, and the Tibetan national epic is the Kesar Sangha, is performed and sung by the Muslim and the Buddhist. So underline this line, Little Tibet. Ladakh is known as Little Tibet, and Islam was introduced in this region more than 400 years ago. And there is a significant Muslim population. It means a large number of Muslim people living here. So Ladakh has a very rich oral tradition of songs and poems. Kerala is a state in the southwest corner of India. In this chapter, we are studying about diversity. On the behalf of diversity, we are studying about two states. First is Ladakh and second is Kerala. So, Kerala located the southwest corner of India. It is surrounded by the sea on one side and hills on other side. Got it? A number of spices like pepper, cloves, cardamoms are grown on the hills. It is the spices that made this region an attractive place for traders. It means the Kerala is a narrow coastal state and it lies between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats. Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats, and this state is known for its wide range of vegetation like rice, coconut, and a variety of spices grown here. So spices, different type of spices like cloves, pepper, have made this state an attractive place for traders in the ancient time also. Next is inequality and discrimination. Inequality and discrimination words are related to each other. Discrimination happens when people act on their prejudice or stereotype. Now I am telling you both words meaning. Prejudice means It's forming an opinion about a person without knowing the truth. Means prejudice are not based on truth. And stereotype, a fixed image that we create for a group and try to fit all persons of that group into that image, which is very often but not true. Stereotype means just like girls wear pink color dresses and boys don't wear. So discrimination happens when if we do something to put other people down, means on the basis of class, creed, religion. If we stop some people from taking part in certain activities or taking up certain job, or stop them from living in a certain neighborhoods, if we prevent some people from taking water from the same well or head pump, or not allowed them to drink tea in the same cup or glasses as others, it means these things are discrimination. We are creating a difference between two people. It is an unfair treatment, and related to a person or a group of person. So discrimination arises when there is a differentiate between the people on the basis of caste, class, creed, gender and color, without regard to individual merit. It means in diversity, if not understood or appreciated, can lead misunderstanding and become a source of discrimination.